Imagine a warning flickering on the global climate radar. The rapid melting of Antarctic ice isn't just an environmental issue. It could be the tipping point that permanently alters our planet's climate balance. But here's where it gets controversial. Recent scientific findings suggest that this process might be more irreversible and self-perpetuating than previously thought, raising critical questions about our ability to halt or even slow down these changes. A new study published in the prestigious journal Nature provides an in-depth look at how global warming is causing a cascade of interconnected effects on Antarctica, the icy continent at Earth's southernmost point. Using a blend of observational data, ice core samples, and historical ship logs, scientists have traced a disturbing pattern of rapid sea ice loss in recent years, breaking away from the natural fluctuations observed over centuries. The research highlights a significant regime shift, meaning a fundamental change in Antarctic sea ice, which has dropped well below its historical variability, with some aspects of this decline being more abrupt and non-linear than the melting observed at the Arctic's North Pole. This raises the alarm that the Antarctic ice loss could be a critical climate tipping point, an irreversible threshold that once crossed triggers broad and potentially unstoppable environmental shifts. So what exactly are the consequences of losing this massive ice sheet? First, it reduces Earth's overall reflectivity, absorbing more solar heat instead of bouncing it back into space, which fuels global warming further. Additionally, this melt accelerates the weakening of the Antarctic overturning circulation, the powerful ocean current system that distributes heat, nutrients, and helps regulate global weather patterns. The ecosystem is already feeling this shift. Key species, like emperor penguins, which rely on stable ice for breeding, and krill, a foundational part of the marine food chain, are suffering. Warming surface waters are also threatening phytoplankton populations, which play a crucial role in sequestering atmospheric carbon, potentially amplifying climate change. Neroli Abram, the lead author of the study and a seasoned scientist, formerly with the Australian National University, emphasizes that Antarctic sea ice might be what scientists call a climate tipping point. Once enough melting begins, the process could become self-sustaining, making it hard, even impossible, to reverse, even if global efforts to cut carbon dioxide emissions succeed. The takeaway? While reducing greenhouse gases remains vital, the reality is that once this threshold is crossed, the changes may continue on their own, unfolding over many centuries. Abram warns that we are setting this process in motion, and stabilizing our climate now might not be enough to prevent significant and long-lasting ice loss in Antarctica. This leaves us with a provocative question. Is our current climate strategy truly enough to prevent crossing these crucial tipping points? Or are we already too late? It's a discussion worth having. Share your thoughts and disagreements below.